I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We want to discuss legislation and how it affects real estate. REBBA was the older legislation that mandated how Ontarians and realtors reacted or dealt with each other. The new one is TRESA, and we're going to have a series of how TRESA is going to affect realtors and members of the public. The first one is the self-represented party. This is a change that TRESA has mandated. Before there was clients and customers. Customers, basically, we had the obligation as realtors to treat them fairly and honestly, meaning you can't lie to them, but we didn't have any fiduciary responsibility. I would tell you that it's impossible as a realtor, in most instances, to have a customer because the minute you give them advice, you've implied a fiduciary relationship. It doesn't have to be in writing. In what you say or do, you can create agency. Now, TRESA is taking it a step further under the Ford government and saying you have a client and a self-represented party who you cannot contract with. So what does that mean? Self-represented party is not a client. You can only assist as a realtor, a self-represented party, if you're helping your client. So if you call and ask for information on a listing, I can only give you information pertinent to that house. I can't discuss other properties around you and give you my opinion on them. So any service I give a self-represented party has to be in service to my existing clients if I have a listing. Can't give advice. I can't use my skill and judgment to help you. And you have to sign what's called the self-represented party acknowledgement form. One step further, you're selling your house privately, I come to you, I can no longer ask you for commission. You're a self-represented party. If I'm representing the buyer, I have to ask the buyer to pay me, which is a different wrinkle in that process. So no longer are we going to have customers and clients. There's only clients and self-represented parties, and there's acknowledgments in there. Why should you get representation and not be self-represented? That's a question you should discuss with your agent, or you can contact me if you like. I'm Eric Mattei, matteirealty.ca.
Just tell me what you want.